Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope all of you guys are doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be talking about refunding your gift cards and shopping vouchers on Amazon. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, without beating around the bush too much, Amazon policy is that gift cards are unrefundable. Now, what gift cards are? They are pretty much cards with a code which you can buy and gift your friends or your family or whoever, and that code, when you input it into Amazon, it gives you some money. However much is denoted on the actual gift card. They are a very good idea for a gift, I guess you could say. If you don't have any concrete ideas on what you want to gift somebody, you can get them a gift card instead of just giving them flat out money, and then they can choose whatever they want to spend it on. Now, as I've said, these cards are unrefundable, which means that once you've bought them, you won't be able to get a refund. Maybe, just maybe, if you contact Amazon support. This is just an idea. I haven't tested it. I don't know if it works, but if you contact Amazon support, in the case that, I don't know, somebody hacked your account and bought some gift cards for them without your permission, possibly Amazon might be able to reimburse you for their price, or just help you in any way. So whatever you want to know, just contact Amazon support first. And if you accidentally bought a gift card yourself and you no longer want it and want to refund it, what you can do is just enter the code yourself and redeem the cash yourself, and then you should be good, pretty much. And then you can spend that cash yourself on Amazon. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I wish I could tell you guys more, but sadly I cannot. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in another video.